Hey there, friend. This is Christina, and you are listening to the Grow Your Daycare podcast, where we focus on marketing strategies to help you grow your online reach and fully book your childcare business. And in this episode, we're going to take a break from our April series on effective marketing ideas. And I'm going to be focusing Friday on shorter episodes, answering specific questions. So today I will be answering this question that I received from one of my one-on-one clients. She actually runs a home daycare and she is pretty new. So we placed some Facebook ads together and she had a question about how quickly are the ads going to work. And I know that this is something that if you're out there and you're listening to me and you're thinking about Facebook ads, investing in them, and you want to make sure that you're actually going to get a return on your investment, this is a great episode for you to listen to. Now, for this specific client, we are leveraging $5 a day on a lead generation campaign. Quite simply put, we recorded a few videos, a few reels, we created a few graphics, we targeted the area that she wanted to target, and we started running ads. And it's been about 7 days. She's had one person send her a DM asking for more information, okay? So she spent around maybe $35, $40, and she got one father to reach out to her and ask her for more information. Now, she is wondering, 7 days, one message, is this normal? And the answer is yes, it is normal, okay? So just because you are paying Facebook to show your ads to your local audience does not mean that you're magically going to fully book your program overnight. This takes time. Facebook's algorithm takes time to go out, find people, show them your ad, over and over consistently, right? They're going to target and retarget these people, and they're going to show them the different ads that we are testing. And hopefully someone clicks and starts a conversation with this business owner, okay? So Facebook's job is not to get you the clients. Facebook's job is basically to take your content and show it to the people that you want it to target. That's it. Now, your creatives are also need to be considered and they need to be tested. So when I say creatives, I'm talking about videos, I'm talking about graphics. Also, the text on your ad as well needs to be tested because people scrolling online, they resonate with different messages, right? So this is why I like to test video ads, but I also like to test graphics as well, because one family might stop the scroll when they see your ad, your video ad, but another family might not watch videos, but they prefer just like graphic images, like flyer type images, right? So we want to test both. And we want to make sure that we're giving Facebook enough time and enough of a budget to do its work. If we're constantly going in, changing, stopping, tweaking, and just, getting really paranoid, Facebook's job is never going to get done, or it's going to get done, but it's going to take even longer to get your results, okay? Marketing, when it comes to paid traffic, really is a lot about testing your target, testing your creatives, testing your hook, testing your call to action. There's a lot of testing that goes around, okay? And sometimes this happens real quickly. So I had a client last year that we did the same thing for her and she started getting messages on the second day, okay? And I've had other clients that have spent more money, but it took a little bit longer for their ads to be seen and for them to actually start booking visits with interested families. Just because you're investing in Facebook ads does not mean all your marketing problems are solved, right? It's not. We're just basically taking a piece of content and asking Facebook to show it to more people. We're increasing visibility drastically, but we want to make sure that we're giving Facebook, again, enough creatives, enough ad budget to do its work. Because once it does its job and it actually finds that family that resonates with your ad, that clicks through your ad, that books a visit with you, then it starts learning, right? And when it starts learning, it becomes optimized. And it's so much easier for you after that to start new campaigns and to start email lists and to do other fun things inside your ads manager because you've already trained your ad account to do the work and to go out and find you clients, okay? But nothing is going to fully book your program if you don't have an amazing program already, if you don't have like great reviews and testimonials, and if you don't have a tour process or a sales pitch that actually gets these people to either call you, book a visit with you, and enroll, right? I can be spending $100 a day on Facebook ads, but if I don't have a product that actually helps people, or if I don't have, let's say, a call to action or a sales pitch that encourages someone to buy, then I'm just basically throwing money out like down the drain, okay? So yes, Facebook ads work. Do they work overnight? Absolutely not. There's a lot of testing involved. You need to have some type of strategy in place in order to make sure that you are getting a return on your investment. So there you have it. If you've been wondering about Facebook ads, I would love to connect with you and help you. If you're someone that's been running a business for a while, all your Facebook and Instagram and your website, everything is set up properly, and you need someone to help you start Facebook ads for your childcare business, I will put a link in the show notes. Click on that. We'll book a call and see if this is the right fit for you. Other than that, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.